So I'm not really sure if they're doing anything over in this field. It looks like there's like equipment in the field, it almost looks like. Like, as long as you're inside of the place, they wouldn't be able to see. Smells pretty bad in here, boys. Army bear. Wooden crutch. There's always wooden crutches. Heads, you win. Tails, I lose. Lost weight steadily, but her days were spent as unknowing highs. You're too fat. That's what Ted McDonald, the boy next door, told her. Melissa had loved him madly since she was 9 years old, but he hardly knew she existed. Oh, I'm not gonna read all that. Okay. Oh, there's water dripping on my head. That's nice. This part of this corner of the house is like back to its roots, literally. Hey, boss.
The upstairs is
very safe, right?
Yeah. It's not the ups and downs that bothers us. It's the jerks.
That's me. I'm a jerk. Probably the fucking house shifting. That's okay. It's alright, baby. I'll keep you warm. Here's a nice backyard view. I'm not gonna step that. Ooh, I'm not gonna.
I wouldn't walk on the wet shit. I wouldn't do that.
But look at this fucking. This is a pool table. Used to be.
No way. You bring that home.
You have split my sides.
That's so sharp in here. What is this? What is this? Is this a little baby wagon? What is this? Baby potty too? Oh, there's an old ass fucking car. I don't know. That car is very fucking old. I don't know.
What is that? Something girl ever wants to dance with a fool who went and ripped his pants.
Do you guys hear voices? Do you hear voices? Do you hear voices? Did you hear voices? I thought I heard voices.
All I hear is your heart.
Did you hear voices though? A little bit. I heard someone laughing. Okay, let's just chill for a second. I thought I heard voices. That was very weird. Let's just wait for a second. It must have been somebody up the street, maybe? I don't know. They were like laughing. You couldn't hear them? I heard someone.
How too was he hearing?
Alright, let's just keep it quiet, I guess.
Don't stop.
This floor is not stable. I didn't see anybody out there, but like I can hear like something.
Still hear people?
I can hear like a tapping sound.
I just did this.
No, but like out here I can hear a tapping sound. I don't know what that is, but let's see if I can look out here. Fuck me. Okay, I can't see out that window anyways. My foot's about to go through this floor.
Is that keyboard work?
Oh shit. Dad, it works. Better fucking test it out.
Oh, it's got a giant shit on it.
Giant shit. Damn it. That was the last thing the owners left here. It's a giant fucking poop. Oh, do you see anything?
I don't see anybody.
I swear, like probably where the farming equipment is. There's probably like people out there farming. They were like laughing. I feel like they probably obviously don't know we're here.
I don't see anybody.
Oh, there's like water dripping on my fucking head. This place has a lot of water damage to her. Shit's all old as fuck.
She's a wet
Wet one, huh? This house is a squirter, alright? She's a fucking squirter. Oh, like it's like dripping on my back. That's why I fucking need a life jacket. Oh, this is the big cage you're talking about? Bunch of plastic forks if you want to eat something. You get Tetanitis B. Oh, that must be. Is this the basement? No, this bathroom. I didn't even notice this door here. What the fuck? I didn't even notice this. There's so many fucking spoons in here too. What the fuck? I'm not sure what that shit is. Toys, maybe? This house is very water rotted as well. They had some nice dishes at one point. There's a mattress in here, old TV. Yeah, I was hearing music earlier too.
Yeah, rednecks might be coming.
Think so?
No, they're not.
I was gonna say, like, I don't think they would know we were here.
They're probably not coming here. They come in here. This is where they come to book their sisters.
Or their cousins, or their maws. Yeah, they wouldn't be coming this way. So, do you think that's the basement down there? Looks like it.
Lead the way.
As long as you don't hear or see anyone out here.
Oh.
What?
There's a car coming.
Okay, get in here. Do you hear a car?
Oh, I did hear one.
I don't know if I want to walk down in here, but looks pretty standard, like standard typical basement. I know. Where is it?
I guess there is no car coming. I've heard like 3 cars coming. 3 different ones.
Is there any 4-wheeler? I hear music. I'm hearing music too. Can you guys see or hear any more? Alright, you dipping? Let's go this way. Yeah. I just want to check out that car.
There's a bike up there.
It's probably in better condition. It's not only probably newer, but also in better condition than both my bikes I own combined. I just want to look at this car. Yeah, this is an actual motorcycle. They've just kind of fucking left her here to rot, of course, as per usual. What is this car? Oh, fucking apples fell on her, some shit. Old ass fucking car.
Taking his aim at you. I saw him go like.
Try me, boy. Be gone. Try me gone. Whoa, sick jump as I get fucking caught on it. There's not much here, boys. This is her. This is actually a good bike.
Oh, go ahead.
It's got air in the tires.
Aaron.
Yeah, like literally no joke. Like this is actually probably a better bike than what I have. That needs some air though. This is the chimney, it looks like. A lot of fucking books in here, what the hell? Okay, this place already has more than I thought it would have. Maybe this was part of the school. It is across the street after all. It's too small to really be anyone's house, I feel like. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Oh, do I know where this is? That's like one of the parks. You can see the waterfalls and shit. I know where that is. This place has a lot more to it than I thought it would, that's for sure. Glass cabinets. Nothing in them. There's a lot of fucking books in here. I don't know what. Oh, it has fucking dirty diapers in a bag. What? It sure smells as such. Not sure if this was someone's house. It's not currently, but here's the outside. Hey, I can see through this window. Bye.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I just kind of woke up here. There's a whole ass bottle of fucking hot sauce. Unopened. Like, that's probably good. Bulliard's Louisiana Supreme Hot Sauce. Nat 6 fluid ounces, 177 milliliters. I assume they put that on the books and consumed the knowledge or some shit.